What if the sun disappeared for just 1 second? What if one day the sun simply vanished? Not forever. Not for a minute. Not even for 10 seconds. Just 1 single second. Would Earth instantly freeze? Would gravity disappear? Would humanity even notice? The answer is far more surprising than most people realize. The sun is the heart of our solar system. It contains 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system and provides almost all the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Without it, there would be no plants, no oceans as we know them, and no life. But what if it disappeared for just 1 second? Let's find out. Nothing happens at first. Here's the first incredible fact. If the sun vanished right now, nothing on Earth would change immediately. That sounds impossible, but it's true. Light doesn't travel instantly. It moves at about 300,000 kilometers per second. And sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So, even if the sun disappeared this very moment, people on Earth would continue living, normally for another 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Completely unaware that anything had happened, the sky would still look bright, the air would still feel warm, birds would keep flying, cars would keep moving, life would continue as if nothing had. The 1 second darkness. Then, exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, the impossible finally arrives. The sun suddenly disappears from the sky. The entire daytime side of Earth is thrown into darkness. For one breathtaking second, it feels like someone turned off the universe. Stars become visible. The moon, unless fully illuminated, nearly vanishes. Cities switch on streetlights. People everywhere look upward in confusion. Then, just 1 second later, the sun returns. Daylight comes back instantly. Many people would wonder if they had imagined it. Gravity's surprise. But something even stranger happens. Einstein showed us that gravity also travels at the speed of light. That means Earth's orbit wouldn't change immediately either. For those same 8 minutes and 20 seconds, Earth would continue orbiting exactly as before. Then, for 1 second, the sun's gravity would disappear. Earth's would move in a straight line for just 1 second before the sun's gravity returned. Would we notice? Almost certainly not. The change would be incredibly tiny. Earth would simply continue orbiting almost exactly as before. Would Earth freeze? Many people think Earth would instantly become an ice planet. But that's not how physics works. The oceans store enormous amounts of heat. The atmosphere acts like a giant blanket. 1 second without sunlight isn't nearly enough to cool the planet. Even the air temperature would remain almost exactly the same. You wouldn't suddenly feel cold. Your coffee wouldn't freeze. The oceans wouldn't turn into ice. Earth barely notices. What humans would experience, even though almost nothing physical changes. The psychological effect would be enormous. Imagine standing outside on a sunny afternoon, and suddenly the sun disappears. For one full second, no warning, no eclipse, no clouds. Just darkness. People would panic. Social media would explode. Scientists would race to understand what happened. News stations around the world would interrupt every program. And just as suddenly, everything would return to normal. 1 second that humanity would never forget. A single second without the sun would not destroy Earth. But it would remind us of something extraordinary. Every sunrise, every warm day, every breath we take, depends on a star nearly 150 million kilometers away. The sun doesn't just light our world. It makes our world possible. So the next time you see a sunrise, remember, our entire civilization exists because the distant star has never stopped shining.